Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 and Alipay Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp from my YouTube channel asking me to make payments for their goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app, just like what you see on the screen right here. And I decided to make a video about it and show you how to make payment or how to place order on 1688 and check out with your Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here. Then I'll go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open my one. Have you opened up my 1688? Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to all the products I have added so far in the cart. So these are all the products that this person want me to pay for. You can see everything on my WhatsApp right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select all the products at once. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. This will allow me to select all the products at once, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and check out with my Alipay. And for that, go ahead and click on here to proceed to check out. All right, so from the checkouts right here, go ahead and scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to the last button. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And go ahead and select Alipay. Go ahead and click on here to proceed to payments. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payments. Then allow the Alipay to connect. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. And click on here to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them all right here. Lastly, I will exit from my 1688 and come back to my WhatsApp right here and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on 1688. I'm so going to click on here, my gallery, then select proof of payment, say payment made. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.